A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, media friends, assalamu alaikum. It's a privilege to join you today at the important seminar on climate change and inclusion, and I welcome you all here at Governor House, Peshawar. At the very beginning, I would like to appreciate the DICE Forum for organizing this seminar at Governor House, Peshawar, and creating a platform for such an important discussion. I support their endeavor to bring stakeholders' voices in their recommendations, which must be included in the policy for climate resilience. I also thank ZLK Securities for their support and all other partners who have worked hard to make this event possible. This kind of collaboration is exactly what we need to deal with today's challenges. Ladies and gentlemen, climate change is no longer a distant risk. It is now a reality, and we are experiencing its effects across the country. In Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, we are already witnessing the harsh realities of climate change. Our province is blessed with natural beauty, mountains, forests, and rivers. But at the same time, we are seeing unusual weather patterns, fast melting of glaciers in northern areas, and more frequent floods and droughts. These changes are not just environmental issues. They are affecting our farmers, our water resources, our infrastructure, and daily lives of our people. Many communities are already struggling, and climate change is making their situation even more difficult. At the same time, we should also see this as an opportunity to rethink how we develop, how we use our resources, and how we plan the future. As I said before, we cannot stop nature. We need to move towards systems that are more sustainable and more resilient. But this is to work. One thing is very important: inclusion. Ladies and gentlemen, climate change affects the vulnerable people the most, especially women, children, and low-income communities. That is why our response must be inclusive. We must ensure that women are part of the solution. In many communities, women are already managing resources, supporting families, and playing a key role in society. If we include them in decision-making, our policies will be stronger and more effective. In the same way, our youth must be given a central role. Young people have the energy, ideas, and creativity to lead the change. If we invest in their education and awareness, they can become leaders in climate action. We must also listen to our local communities. People at the grassroots level understand their challenges better than anyone else. Their knowledge and experience can help us create practical and effective solutions. At the government level, we need to make sure that our policies are inclusive. Everyone should have a voice, and everyone should have access to opportunities. Only then we can build a fair and sustainable future. Ladies and gentlemen, we cannot tackle climate change alone. It requires teamwork. Government, private sector, civil society, academia, and international partners all must work together. Events like this seminar are very important. They bring people together, allow us to share ideas, and help us find solutions. They also help connect policy with real action. As Governor of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, I repeat the government's commitment to supporting initiatives that enhance environmental protection, reduce disaster risk, and promote sustainable development. I encourage all stakeholders present here today to continue this momentum beyond the seminar. The ideas exchanged here should guide future strategies, shape policies, and inspire practical action. Your dedication is a source of hope for safer, more resilient, and more sustainable Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. Once again, I appreciate the DICE Forum for taking this initiative, and I thank all partners, including ZLK Securities, for their valuable support. Thank you very much, Pakistan Zindabad.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful and inspiring. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. His Excellency Governor of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, distinguished guests, respected panelists, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon, assalamu alaikum. We are honored by the presence of His Excellency at this important discussion. It is an honor to moderate this important conversation here at the Government House, Peshawar, on a theme that is both timely and deeply consequential: climate change and inclusion. Climate change today is not merely an environmental issue,